what you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talk.
Hello, my beautiful people. Today topic, the thing really sad, like seriously. Sometimes some papa, I don't know what they come over them. Now two topic now I just get to talk about today, like seriously, really. The first one, I've just let talk about the other girl we just we get belle. So with the pregnancy, like the thing dey okay. She not quick post her pregnancy, then later she come finally post the picture. So she post the picture a week, the next week, then she pay me. Then she just pay me. And her belle, she don already born the pikin, then she come pay me. The thing just structuralize everybody, like seriously. Wetin dey happen for this world? Wetin this world dey turn it to? We not know again. Wetin dey happen for this world? We not understand again. Like the thing just structuralize me, like seriously, really. Very, very painful. Very, very painful. Like seriously. So as I just see am, I say, God, this life, not today this world, oh, not today. Abi me person not dey show a pregnancy again. Abi waiting. Abi they don't go wait for am. Abi she don't forget person where she wrong before. And make person supposed to dey hide itself these days, oh. Person supposed to dey hide itself. See person now we just get belle. They expect me born. Now pikin dey na she now don't me. Very, very bad omen. Very, very bad omen. Like seriously. My people. I bet me would they pray, oh. If now somebody, all those beyonds, then I make this girl now. We will still pray for the baby. When the baby not still got me like that. Now so the life just be now. Now prayer we go they pray for ourselves. They pray for our children. Because nobody know who is who tomorrow. So the other topic, that one I can just dey sad pass. That one just by itself, meme itself, say because of wetin in the pass through for a papa and say a papa dey jogodo her. A papa too does see jogodo in many of his friends because of a papa, his friends not the one come he house again. Wetin come dey happen for this world? Because of he papa, his friends not dey come he house again, my people. That kind of thing makes sense. It good. Wetin this world dey turn it to now? Because of a papa. Okay, see the record now. Because I dey watch this woman just now. Now I see say the record the day where they sent to her, where the girl say him mama with him mama they talk before she me play a more and listen.
In your life, normally called when I'm one of your children. I'm the one who suffered the most. So don't say that. Don't lie in the moment because you're upset. It's upsetting. Please don't say I'm lying. I will say that you're lying if you are. I have never suffered behind you. I've never been someone who's not going to be honest with you. I'm going to hang up this phone and please put anything you want to put on Facebook. I honestly don't give a shit anymore.
You see, mama say don't give a shit. Say make him do because she tell him mama say she want carry the matter go Facebook go talk. If mama can say make she do anything when she want to do, she don't give a shit about anything. Wanna listen?
You never did understand me, honestly. Do you understand me? I don't understand you. At your age, Redwa, you are 26 years old. You are way older. At your age, you've never ever dealt with the things I have. I have 2 children. Okay. I'm expecting a third. Okay, I have a business. I have several businesses. I've achieved so many things that you never did at 26. I have had to act like an adult more than you have had to. Get the medical help that you need. Have you been to therapy for the things that you've been through? Have you ever been diagnosed? Of course you take diagnosis. Of course you don't take diagnosis. That's exactly why you're
see the way mama said they talk to her. You know the pain so she dey pass through.
It's not an insult. is an insult. When you start telling
This one of the last
be an
record.
adult, grow up, what is that you're implying? You're implying that me putting something on Facebook about my trauma. Okay, you put it on Facebook. Yeah. How good does it make you feel? Does it pretty good? Does it heal? Does it heal you? Yeah, it does actually. It feels great to be heard. It feels really good to be heard for one. So I'm very happy for you. You don't sound happy for me. You're not. You've never been happy for me when I've done anything to protect myself. No, you haven't. You know, when I put up my post on my GoFundMe, you always think it's about moments. That's the thing with you. How childish can you be that you can't even see the reality behind the situation? 4 minutes, I'm gonna get up and get ready for work. Mom, you can scream at me however you want. I'm not taking the post down. It's staying up, and people will still continue to ask me questions. You need to ask yourself the questions that people are asking you. They are not asking me questions. Okay, Mom. Then why are they calling you then if they're not calling to ask you questions? I'm not going to share your private. So if they're not calling to ask you questions, why are they calling to say congratulations? So please, you know, so if they're calling you and telling you, you're not asking me anything. What are you annoyed about? What exactly is pissing you off? Tell me exactly what it is. No. What's exactly pissing me off? Yes. Posting on Facebook is not true. According to who? It's not according to who? According to who? You're way too educated.
Listen, Mama don't know what it should be passed through.
You know what you forgot
This
to
is
mention?
easy.
You know what you forgot to mention? You forgot to mention that you have been high the past how many days, and your sense of whatever it is blurred. Mom, do I sound right now? Everybody on Facebook knows I smoke weed. Everybody knows I smoke weed. It's not a secret. Yes. It's not a secret, and it's also not, Mom, wow. Is that really what you're doing? Is that really how you're going to find your way out of this? Is that really a tactic in the middle of all of this? You're really trying to tell me that I'm using drugs, and that's why it is. Really? Is that really the insulting? That's really the insulting response you have from me. That's really the insulting response you have from me. Okay, you know what, Mom, sorry. I have a little bit more heroin to do. It's probably some of the stuff that you and my dad sold before. I'm gonna go do that, but please, the money that I've sent to you.
So when I hear the conversation where in with him mama they talk, but him mama just the challenge and they talk to her because she said she want carry and go Facebook, but you don't know what she dey pass through. You don't say easy. Let's say papa go the jogodo a pikin. The girl have to take you. The girl now have to take your own life. This say easy. The girl now adopt meme. Just by itself, just meme itself like that. You know what? You now, I can imagine what you go they pass through now. Your daughter don't go like that. But some men, how your pikin go even they attract you? Your own pikin go see they attract you. The thing they shockalize me, like the thing they surprise me sometimes. Your own pikin go they attract you. I never asked the thing me I don't understand really. My bonga people this matter it shockalize me. I really feel for the mama now. I don't say it don't go easy for you. So this one I just advice to our men I beg. No, they allow your pikin, they attract you again. Now your pikin. How you go to jogodo your own pikin? See, and now this girl not fit bear the shame. Now I take me myself like that. So my people I beg. What did this man do na good thing or na bad thing? Mona leave on a comment and Mona just let me pray for that first topic when I first talk about. Let me pray for the doctor. Then I'll say let me pray for the mother of this girl who just made herself like that, and Mona just give the girl rest in peace. The two of them. Thank you, everybody. Take care. Bye. Share this video for me and always put thumbs up for my video. Bye everybody. Bye.